This is the project my son's been working on. Come look. We've got a Blueprint 383 stroker in here. It's 440 horsepower with 480 foot-pounds of torque. Let's fire it up. Take a listen to it. We got an automatic transmission with a 3000 stall converter. Right now you hear it's firing good on each cylinder. We've just got the timing set. We've got the base timing set and the advanced set pretty close to where we want.